Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use the color of black and now we draw numbers 1, O-N-E 1. The next one is 2, T-W-O 2. Now we draw 3. The next one is 4, kids. Now we draw 5, F-I-V-E 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. The next one is 10. Kids, now we draw 11. The next one is 12 and now we draw 13. The number of 13. The next one is 14. Kids, now we draw 15 and the next one is 16. Now we draw 17 and the next one is 18. Now we draw 19. The next one is 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching.